There are a variety of different factors that determine whether or not a home is gonna have good resale value. Some of those things include whether or not the home was built well, whether or not the home was built by a reputable builder, and then lastly, whether or not the home has a good floor plan. Does it flow? Does it have all the rooms that you need? And most importantly, will it work for a large variety of people? And Drees Homes delivers all three of those things in all of their homes. That's why today I am excited to show you this Drees Somerville floor plan right here in Starnes Creek in Franklin, Tennessee. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, so the first thing that I want to point out before we go inside is just how beautiful the front elevation is of this Drees home. Drees does a great job with that. They use a lot of different materials. As you can see, there's a stone, there's a horizontal hardy plank, there's a vertical hardy plank up there in the corner. You've got a metal roof over those windows. You've got asphalt shingles. You've got the metal railings, a little bit of brick going up the stairs. They just do a good job of creating a lot of character and just frankly making the houses look beautiful. This home has a 3-car garage. It's got the 2-car side entry, and then also it has the 1-car carriage garage right there. They do a good job with the front entry, nice. I love the little curve in the walkway here. This particular home has a really nice front yard. Dang, that looks good. All right, so this is a Drees Somerville F. So you get this really nice front porch. Plenty of room if you wanna set up a chair and tables. And then you got this front double door right here. So come on, let's step inside. Immediately you step inside into the front foyer. And this front foyer is really tall. Check out the ceiling height right there. That must be like 30 feet. We're gonna hook a left, and right here is a guest room. And this guest room's got its own walk-in closet. And then I believe the light's out in here, but it's got its own full bathroom as well. Heading straight, you've got the stairs right here to the right going up. Check out this living room. They do such a good job with their floor plans. I mean, nice open living room. You've got the kitchen right there, the dining room over there. It just makes sense. Let me get this first. Really nice fireplace right here. Check out those wood beams in the ceiling. The stone surround. They always have like big windows letting lots of natural light in, so you're not like, you don't have a dark living room area and kitchen. Here's your dining room area. I mean, plenty of space. You can fit a good sized table right there for sure. I mean, they give you everything. And then look at this, bam. Check out that kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space. I love that they do the double stacks to the side of the oven hood. They have an option where you can do the double stacks all the way around as well. That looks amazing. Huge island. There's storage underneath right there. Double oven, of course. Your refrigerator would go there. You got a gas stove. Nice deep farm type sink, I guess you'd call it. Check out this view. So this is if you're hanging out in the kitchen. You'd have a nice couch out there. You'd have some stools here in front of you, your friends hanging out. You look to the right, there's a table where you can put food, or people can sit and do a puzzle or something like that. So look at this, there's even more counter space and cabinets over here. You've got your microwave. This could be like a little area for coffee. Pantry right here. All right. So super nice kitchen and living room area for sure. Then when you go this way right here, straight ahead, you've got the half bathroom. To the right is the laundry room, and to the left is an office. Really nice looking office. Coffered ceiling, check that out. That is such a nice detail, it's worth doing. Half bathroom right here, really nothing special to see, but just want you guys to kind of see it. Oops, put the fan on. Nice laundry room. Drees always has nice laundry rooms. All right. Oh, and over here, you've got a little area to put your bourbon and your wine, and then a little drop zone right here. And then that's gonna lead out to the garage. Let's check out the owner's suite. Oh, there's a shot of the foyer, just in case you kind of didn't really get an idea of what it looks like. All right. So as you turn this way, let me put some lights on in here. This is the master bedroom, straight ahead. Look at this, it's huge. Double tray ceiling. Giant room, nice. Plenty of natural light in here. Really nice size room. I mean, you could put king size bed in here, dressers, TVs, whatever. Okay, so here is the master bathroom. Got your standalone tub, you've got your shower over there. One vanity right here to the right. Vanity right here. Look at this. It's huge. I mean, look at the space. I mean, plenty of space. And then there's even room over here. Really nice stairs. I like this staircase. Actually, from the living room, it just has like a really nice look to it, since it has all the turns and all the wood railings and the iron spindles. It looks nice. There is a lot up here. I forgot to tell you guys, this house is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and just shy of 4,500 square feet. So when you get to the top of the stairs, you can go right to the game room. There are 2 bedrooms straight ahead, and then to the left right here is a bedroom. And this bedroom's got its own bathroom, of course, right here. Not bad. I'll show you these bedrooms really quick. I'm not gonna say they're not special, but they're just blank bedrooms right now. This has its own bathroom as well. And then there's a hallway bathroom right here, but it also connects to this bedroom right here. So essentially it's got its own bathroom. It just shares it in the hall. All right, moving on, check out this game room. Whoo-wee. Nice size, right? You could put a pool table over there, foosball table, or if you wanted to put like some high tables and some chairs and have it be like a bar area. They do have a wet bar in this model as well. This stuff, like this is an option on this plan, but good size here. I mean, you could put a TV up right there. I mean, you could definitely have a cool setup up here. And look at this, a media room. Could you imagine living without a media room? I mean, who could do that? So there's that. And then over here is just an extra room. It's like a hobby room, or you could use it as an extra office. I'm glad that they utilize the space. I mean, this is a nice space up here. All right, the only thing I need to show you guys is what? The back patio. All right, and then you step out. Covered patio with fireplace. really good size. I don't know the exact dimensions, but it feels nice. You'd put your TV up over the fireplace right there. Yeah. Really, my goal of this tour was just to show you guys the Somerville floor plan. This particular home is actually available. It's in Starnes Creek, and I believe it's listed at $1,314,000. If you don't like this lot for whatever reason, they've got a ton of different lots. I mean, it's hard to see, but up that way, they've got lots that back up to that woods line, and then they're gonna have lots back that way. So plenty of different lots. Cool. All right, guys, so there you have it. I really appreciate it. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent, and I have helped many people buy Drees homes. So if you're thinking about buying a home here in Starnes Creek or another one of Drees neighborhoods here in the Franklin area, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to represent you and help you through the process. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.